Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to do fried fish, so stay tuned. I'm going to be using 2 cups of this house Autry seafood bread mix, followed by 1 cup of flour, and we're going to season our flour with 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, onion powder, season all, and then 1 tablespoon of parsley. And we're just going to mix all those ingredients up. We're going to be adding our fish to the bag and just shaking that up nicely until our fish is nicely coated with the flour. And now it's time to add our oil to our pan. I'm going to be using vegetable oil and turning that on medium high and waiting until it's nice and warm. Once our oil is hot, add it to the pan. And so as you guys can see, I'm shaking off some of the flour just so my oil won't have too much in it, and just laying them in there. Once your fish has gotten a nice golden crisp around the edge, go ahead and flip that over so you can get the nice crispiness and golden texture on the other side. Usually it only takes me maybe about 3 minutes for each piece of fish to finish frying. And once my fish is nice and golden brown, I take that out, put it on a paper plate with paper towels, and add a little bit of seasoning. And there you guys go. Usually I eat this with bread and mustard and hot sauce, or just hot sauce, but it's definitely your choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please come back for more videos and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.